And from my understanding, there are about 20 million na mali ang disenyo, kaya babaguhin. Anong mangyayari dun sa bagong disenyo? Itatapon na lang ba sa basurahan? Hulaan ko, manghula lang ako. Okay. Kasi pinapaboran yung isang kontraktor at mukhang meron natang kumita rito na malaki. 28 billion. Medyo off-topic to ng konti, pero my question is directed to the BSP. Ito po ay may kinalaman doon po sa National ID na may budget po na 28 billion and it started back in 2018 and hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin po natatapos. Ang akin lang po pinagtataka, inarbor nyo po sa PSA yung pagpapagawa, pag-a-assign, pagbibigyan ng task kung sino po yung gagawin National ID. No, matapos nyo po ma-arbor, isinab-contract nyo po sa isang company. And nung matapos po may subcontract, yung ngayon sa palagitnaan, nagkagewang-gewang na po yung paggawa ng ID, nagkaroon ng problema. And from my understanding, there are about 20 million na mali ang disenyo, kaya babaguhin. Anong mangyayari dun sa bagong disenyo? Itatapon na lang ba sa basurahan? At ano na lang yon? Kumbaga, wala na yung mga nagawa ng maling ID kasi gagawa kayo ng bagong design or magpapalabas kayo ng corrected design and then yung lumang design and the corrected design, gagawa lang kayo ng konting correction doon. So meron tayong dalawang klaseng disenyo.
Please,
thank you.
Would you know about that,
thank you,
Deputy Governor?
Mr. Chair. I just have some notes that the designs are actually approved by the PhilSys Policy and
Pero bago niyan, sir,
Council.
pakisagot lang, bakit niyo po inarbor sa PSA? Di ba dapat PSA na ang maghanap ng agency, government agency na para gumawa ng National ID? Para sa akin, di ba dapat yung National Printing Office ang may capability din? Or kayo po meron din kayong capability sa BSP, bakit po kinakailangan yung isang
Na-request po ang BSP na tumulong.
Hindi po, inarbor niyo po, kayo po ang nag-request, hindi po ni-request ang BSP. It was the BSP who requested from the PSA na kung pwede sa inyo na po ipasa para hindi na po magkakaroon ng bidding kasi government-to-government arrangement, so there's no need for bidding. Yun po yung purpose niyo para hindi na magkaroon ng bidding, tama?
Mr. Chair,
can you answer?
Mr. Chair,
go ahead.
The National Statistician was head of the PSA is here.
Okay,
Maybe
so,
can directly answer.
Parang traffic controller tayo. Sino talaga makakasagot?
Thank you, Mr.
Okay.
Mr. Chair.
Yes, our national statistician. Mr. Map.
Senator, the original plan for BSP to print the national ID was ordered by former President Duterte. So it was given to them. But BSP is one of the three printing agencies. You're right, NPO, APO, and BSP can actually print. So they are the ones.
So bakit sinab-contract pa kung kaya pala i-print ng BSP yung ID? Ng national ID, ba't kinakailangan i-subcon?
The ball is back with you,
Kasi
Deputy
ako,
Governor.
hulaan ko, manghula lang ako. Okay. Kasi pinapaboran yung isang kontraktor at mukhang meron natang kumita rito na malaki.
Yeah, Deputy Governor.
28 billion pesos na contract.
That's a huge contract. Yeah.
Yung detalye po nung kasi hindi ako talagang na-involved.
Who would know in the BSP about this?
I would know.
Secben, yeah.
I was governor when that happened, but
ganun ba?
the
Okay.
decision to have BSP print was the President's decision for BSP. And we have competitive bidding. May bidding po yan. Competitive bidding. Hindi po binigay lang namin doon sa...
Was there a bidding?
There was a bidding
Conductor?
by BSP.
Was there at nanalo po?
Yes,
I don't think so.
May bidding
Can
po
we
yan.
see that?
May bidding po yan.
Okay. And then follow up. Bago ako umalis dahil nagpermiso lang kay Win. Doon din po sa pagpagawa ng pera, di ba, nagbago tayo ng design sa 1,000 notes natin. Bakit hindi po dito natin ginawa, inimprenta? Ba't kinakailangan padalhin sa Australia? At again, nag-sub ko na naman. Wala ba akong kakayahan yung BSP na i-prenta yung sarili nating pera? At ito pa po, nasaan ba itong pera ito?
Ako po ang governor nung dinesisyon na namin yan. Wala po capability rito sa Pilipinas
Wala.
because we are shifting to polymer.
Okay.
And
if
so
we did shift to polymer.
I talked to the governor of Australia. So
itong mga pera ito, pinapagawa na sa Australia?
G2G po yan.
Australia.
G2G. Apo.
Kaya nga. So, di ba meron dito yung security, tawag nito? Security features. Kaya natin pinasa sa Australia. So, bakit yung Australia ang gagawa ng security features na yun? bakit kinakailangan ipagkakatiwala sa Australia and then Australia ibabalik sa atin?
Nasa design po namin yan.
Nung mga nakaraang pera na ginagawa natin ng BSP, pinapadala din pa sa ibang bansa?
Hindi pa. Because we have the capability to do that here. Pero yung polymer po, wala po tayong capability.
So ba't kinakailangan pang polymer? Bakit hindi lang tayo binago natin yung disenyo and then kaya naman pala natin gumawa ng security
There was a decision, every 10 years, napapalit po ng disenyo yung
kaya nga, change the design. Change the design. But,
BSP.
yes, change the design. Pero dito pa rin natin gawin.
Pero wala nga po capability for polymer production.
Bakit kailangan pumunta tayo sa polymer? Who made that decision na kailangan pumasok tayo sa polymer?
The Central Bank Monetary Board decided.
Well,
because it's safer, it's more economical.
Anong pinagkaiba? Wait a minute. Anong pinagkaiba nitong perang ito at saka yung sa dating pera? I've seen the data na for the past 10 years, worth 7 million lamang ang nahuli ninyo ng mga nag-counterfeit ng pera natin. 7 million pesos lang worth for so many years. Na ibig sabihin na napeke, mga peking pera na kumpiska ninyo. So, kumparahin mo yung 7 million pesos na nalugi, sabihin natin nalugi o na-counterfeit na pera sa bagong disenyo na gagastos nyo by the billions, bakit pa tayo nagpa-polymer? Ba't nilang tayo pagpatuloy? Ibang disenyo, ibang itsura, pero yung pa rin yung mga security features na gamitin tulad ng ginawa niyo sa dating mga pera. Ba't kinakailan pa
Your Honor, the Monetary Board made the decision. It's cheaper. I know because it's yung mga pera po natin dati, after 3 months, wala na po, hindi na magamit. It's cheaper, and that is also recyclable after it, and yan po, because of the pandemic especially, pwede yung ng alcohol ho yan, yung current money ho natin nun, hindi nyo pwede lagyan. Mag-smudge po yun.
Wala na rin abaka.
Pinag-aralan rin po namin yun. That's a very small part of the money po.
Yeah, they can always use the reason, pinag-aralan, pinag-decide ng board, wala talagang gustong mag-amin ng kasalanan. Yung bang talang sabihin, it was me, it was my decision, and I'm to be blamed, period. Palaging nagtuturuan. Ganon din sa kabilang hirin na pinuntahan ko.
I assume responsibility, sir. It was my decision when I was governor.
Okay, very good. Last na lamang po. So, kailan BSP, kailan matatapos yung national ID natin?
National statistician mapa. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Mr. Chair. Right now, Senator, we have registered already 80 million Filipinos to the national ID. This is about 87% of the 92 million target, which are the 5 and above. 5 kasi hindi pa po tayo magre-register dun sa 0 to 4. Now dun sa 80 million na na-register.
Okay, sige po, 80 million na para mapabilis na.
42 million po yung cards na na-print ng 42.
Pakisagot ulit, ano nangyari po doon sa nagkamali na disenyo na kailangang babaguhin?
Yung
20 million mahigit. Ibabasura na ho ba yun? Yung mga...
Hindi po 20 million yung mga may defects, ano? Ito po pinapalitan, piniprint uli ng BSP service provider for free po yun. Under sa kanila. Hindi natin magbayad.
So bakit nung umpisa pa lamang nalaman nyo na natin, baka magkakaproblema, bakit nyo ipagtiwala pa rin gawin dun sa kumpanya na yun na kinontak ninyo, hindi pala nila kayang gumawa isang beses pa lamang na walang pagkakamali?
We requested the BSP Senator, in fact we wrote them a letter because the President also instructed BSA to look for additional service provider so that it can fast-track the printing of the PhilID cards. So we requested the BSP if their service provider can print up to 50 million at the end of the year so that we can have another service provider that can continue the remaining cards.
Next year matatapos na ba ulat ng national ID?
We are waiting for the decision from the BSP if they can cut the current service provider.
So hindi niyo pa alam kung next year sa isang taon?
Our target, Senator, is that if the BSP agrees that 50 million, parang mag-stop ang service provider 50 million, and then we will get another service provider because we really need another line. At the current output, we cannot finish it on time. We need another line. So if we have another line, this would mean a quicker release of the PhilID. So we have substantial by next year po.
So by next year, meron tayong mga national ID na magagamit na ng mga tao. Okay, sige po. Yun lang po. Thank you, Mr. Chair. At thank you, Senator Win. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Senator.